What if I told you you can grow on YouTube without showing your face and still build a powerful personal brand? Let me show you how to create a Pixar-style avatar and use it across all your content. Let's go. First, we are going to create your look-alike avatar. To do that, open chatgpt, click on the plus icon, click on photos, then select your photo, click on add. Your image has been uploaded, then paste this prompt. Turn the uploaded photo into a high-quality 3D Pixar-style character. Keep the facial features, skin tones, and hairstyle. Confident and friendly expression similar to the original. Professional appearance, clean white background, ultra high detailed, aspect ratio 16:9. Then click on the send arrow. So let's wait for ChatGPT to generate our image. ChatGPT has created 2 images for me and is asking which image do you like. So I will click on the second image, then I will click on save. Now I have saved the image. I will click on the plus icon again. I will click on photos and I will click on the image, click on add. Then I will paste this prompt. Dress her in a navy blue business suit with a white tie, straight wig flowing neatly down her back, same facial features and publish 3D looks. Let's wait for it to generate. Oh my god, can you see that? So the next thing is to click on the image, then click on save. I have saved the image. Click on the plus icon again. Click on photo. I will click the image and add it back. So I will paste this prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to paste this prompt in the description box. So I will click on the send arrow. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the image. I'm going to prompt it again if it can put her hand on the desk. But I gave it this prompt, make her hand be on the desk. Let me see if it's going to generate for me. The next thing is to click on the image, then save it to your phone. Now that our image is ready, the next thing to do is to record our voice. Next is to record your voice. So go to your phone, open your voice recorder, then click on the red icon. Then speak naturally what you want your avatar to say. After you are done recording, then long press, click on rename, erase this, and rename your voice note. I will type AI voice so that I can remember, then click on save. The next thing is to convert your voice note to an MP3. On your browser, type audio converter, scroll and tap on free convert. Click on choose file and click from device. Click media picker, then select your voice note. Click convert. It's uploading. Let's wait for it. Click on download. Click save to device. Now, as you can see, file downloaded. Click on open and you can play your voice note. Do you understand? Now, go to Play Store, type Thunder VPN. So you can see here are different VPNs. The one we are going to use for this video is Thunder VPN, this one. Next thing to do is to install it if you don't have it installed on your phone. On my previous video, a lot of you were complaining that you don't know the Thunder VPN icon. So this is how it looks like. Do you understand? After you install it, click on open. It will bring you to this interface. All you just need to do is to click on connect. The final step is to lip sync our avatar. Let's go. Let me show you how to do that. Go to your browser. Type dreamina.capcut.com. It will bring you to this interface. Now, I want you to know that without a VPN, you cannot lip sync your avatar on this website. So that was why we downloaded Thunder VPN. Now, click on AI avatar. Click on AI video. Click the plus icon to select your avatar. Click on done. Our image is already uploaded. Click on upload audio. Click on media picker. It will bring you to this interface. Yours might be different, okay? Just look for the audio that you downloaded. I will click on download. I will scroll and look for the MP3 voice note we downloaded. I'm going to play it just to be sure. What if I told you you can grow on YouTube without showing your face? And I will click on this send arrow. So while we are waiting for Dreamina to generate our video, I want you to know that you can only generate 2 videos per day from Dreamina. Our video is done generating. The next thing to do is to click on it and play it before downloading. What if I told you you can grow on YouTube without showing your face and still build a powerful personal brand? Let me show you how to create a Pixar-style avatar and use it across all your content. Let's go. After playing, the next thing is to do what? Click on the download button up here. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and leave an amazing comment. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.